Hey guys! So today it's gonna be a vlog. So I went to the mall today, met with some friends, and we watched Inside Out 2. Yes. I'll tell you my opinion about it at the very end. But yeah. Please enjoy this vlog. Thank you. Hi guys. I just woke up. It's 9:47 in the morning, and today we're gonna go to the mall to meet up with some friends, the same friends from last vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Hello. Hey guys. We're in the car right now. We're about to go to the mall. We're just waiting for my mom, and she hit the car door. So and there she is. Wait, I'm gonna show her. Mom, say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the mall. Bye. Hey guys. You can't see me right now because we're in the underground parking, but we're here at Eastwood Mall already. We're trying to find for a parking spot. So first we're so first So first we're gonna eat at Coco Ichibanya, and then we're gonna go to the cinema. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, we're here at what's this, City Walk. Mom. Here. Hi guys, we're at Coco Ichibanya. You wanna hold the camera?
Please don't drop it, please.
Mom.
Mom, you're going away from me.
Yeah. So we're going to Karamiya for some ice cream.
Next time.
Hey guys, so I'm here right now. Wait, I need to be on the other side. I'm here right now at Karamiya. So we have some. So we're gonna have some ice cream. Dad, say hi. Like I said, oh, he's saying hi. We're gonna go to like a studio, and then we're gonna finally go to the cinema. So I'll see you guys. Bye. Hey guys, my friends are still not yet here. So I don't know what we're gonna do later. But we're gonna find a way. We're almost done with the ice cream, and my dad already left to watch his movie. It's not there. My mom's still here. And Riker. But my dad, his movie's a bit early, so he went na. I don't know what we're gonna do later, but watch the next clip. Hey guys. Hey guys. We're here to go to
Here to go to a studio.
a studio.
Photo studio.
Photo studio.
Hello, my brother. We are taking our pictures. My brother is done taking his picture. I'm secretly recording this so no one knows. Bye.
Where's Eli?
Wala pa. Wala pa sila.
I'm at the wall nga. I'm at the wall.
I'm at the wall. Narinig ko, I'm at the wall.
I'm at the wall.
Ano wall?
Wall nga is
Yeah.
so guys,
tickets muna.
We're here at
Yes,
Eastwood
I-
Mall. And
Okay, sir, guys, we are at Eastwood Mall and ibibitaw ko to dun sa baba para you can see the future.
yes!
Yes.
So, we're here waiting for Inside Out 2. I'm disgusted. What are you?
Inaalis nila. I am anger.
And Riker is...
Disgust.
So
Si
we're
Ayel
both
rin disgust.
We're Ayos disgust.
Oo, ang alam ko. Okay,
My
so
mom is...
Ina is sadness, then Ayel is disgust. I don't know.
May dadaan. I don't know this girl. 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 I'm working late.
I'm working late.
Uy, nasan yung tickets mo?
Hi. I have your tickets. Wait.
Ano yan yung resibo?
I love that food. Sophia?
Sophia, the first.
Ano ba? Sabi mo hindi siya sasama.
Surprise nga!
Ay,
Nandun siya!
surprise.
Surprise!
Is that Jungkook?
He's not the one.
Po.
Edit picture. Edit
Yan na yan. Oh. Seat number.
Liam.
Ano to?
Yan. Yung ticket niya. Yung ticket mo.
What's your seat number?
Diyan na daw. H7. Di baka magkalituan tayo ah. H10.
Bilang. You wanna say hi to my vlog?
Oh, sure. Hello, vlog. Welcome to your vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Huh?
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog.
Go do it.
To check. So we have this shirt. I stole it from an old woman, and I got these pants. I also stole it from my mom's
Homeless
mother.
man.
And these shoes, I stole it from Yosef. So yeah.
Then jump and turn around. So we're just strolling around this floor.
1 hour later.
Naka-vlog na ako. Guys, we just finished the movie. How did you think of it?
10 out of 10.
Very beautiful.
I hated it.
Elegant.
I hated the movie.
What?
I don't like it. What did you think of the movie?
10 out of 10, nakakaiyak. Lalo na, pangit si anxiety.
Pangit si anxiety. English or Spanish?
Emotion.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye guys, I love the movie so much.
We loved it.
me a lot.
They loved it. I didn't love it. I don't like it. Mom, what did you think of the movie?
It was cool.
Cool. I didn't like it that much.
It was boring.
And we also got these like cute Inside Out cups. They gave it for free. The movie was really fun. They gave us free popcorn and free iced tea. Because it's the opening. But the cinema was like jam-packed. There was a lot of people in the cinema. For me, personally, I don't like the movie that much. It's very short and the storyline is a bit... It's like they forgot to add in the second part of the storyline and cut it short.
Which one?
I'm gonna get into the car now. So we're here na in the car and I'm gonna see you guys later once I get better lighting. Hi. Hi guys. We just got home from the mall and yun lang. We don't have anything to eat because our yaya did not cook anything, but had lots of fun today. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!